question 3. So we've got a triangle here. We know the length of AB is 40. And then it says the length of AB is half the length of the base of the triangle. So therefore the base of the triangle must be 80 centimeters, since 40 is half of 80. And it says we have to determine the value of h. So we're trying to find the length of that side. So I think the most obvious thing would be to look at this whole triangle here and know that you could, since it's a right angle triangle, you could do the Pythagorean theorem to figure out the missing side. And since we know this length here is 32, the double dashes here indicate that each of these segments is 32 centimeters long, which means the whole length of the hypotenuse here is 128 centimeters. So we've got the hypotenuse is 128, the base is 80, and if we want to figure out the height, we'll just use our formula for the Pythagorean theorem. So h squared will equal 128 squared minus 80 squared. Since the hypotenuse is the longest, we're going to be subtracting them. Okay, so 128 squared minus 80 squared is 9,984, and then we'll have to square root that to get our final answer. And we get 99.9 centimeters. Or you could just round that up and say the height is roughly 100 centimeters.